Hey everyone, here's another video for you. November is coming to an end. You know what that means. It's time to go full Christmas mode. If you're looking for some Christmas family-friendly events to go to around the city, keep on watching. Number one, the Santa Claus Parade. This is a staple for most families as we kick off the Christmas season. The Santa Claus Parade takes place on Sunday, December 1st from 12:30 to 2:30 at the Erin Mills Auto Mall. Altogether, it's over a kilometer long, so wherever you decide to camp out on, you're probably going to get a pretty sweet view. This year, they're expecting over 15 custom designed floats, over 1,500 participants. They include marching bands, dancers, fitness, and sports club. And the best part is, it's free. Number two, Winter Fest at Wonderland. This is relatively new in Toronto at Wonderland. This is the second year they're doing it, and there's a lot of cool things happening. Wonderland actually transforms into a winter wonderland. Want to visit Santa's workshop, the elf village, or the toy shop for your Christmas wish list? You can walk down Candy Cane Lane for some Instagram-worthy pictures for the whole family. There's going to be live performances all over the park with Christmas tunes that you all enjoy. Don't worry, there's going to even be some rides that are open over this winter season. Number three, the Christmas market at the Distillery District. They've got their big tree. Are you struggling to find some Christmas gifts for some friends or family, or you just want something quite unique or special? You have to check out the Distillery District as they have a lot of artisan shops that have some really unique gifts for everybody. The best part is, as you shop, you can have a lot of good food and a lot of nice treats while you walk around. Don't forget, they also have a lot of art installations all over the Distillery District. So, what event sounds interesting to you? So which one do you plan on visiting? Keep in mind, all of these are outdoors, so you want to make sure you bundle up and have lots of hot chocolate on hand. Let me know if you have any questions to any of these. We're here to help. And until then, happy holidays, Merry Christmas, and we'll see you next Wednesday.